Guys, here is how I made this 2RR trade on this gold setup. So I went to the 15 minutes time frame and I identified the sweep of this recent 15 minutes high, which is here. As soon as I saw this sweep, I jumped to the 3 minutes time frame to look for my entry. Yeah, that should be here. As soon as I saw the sweep of this recent 15 minutes high, so I went to the 3 minutes time frame to look for my entry. So let me play it. Let's see what goes. So I identify the change of character of this 3 minutes time frame, which happened here. And I set my sell limit and set my stop loss above the recent 15 minutes high that was swept, and I targeted the recent 15 minutes low, which is here, down here. As I take so price start being here. Let's play it. Let's see how it goes. And TP smashed.